Hereby we're going to show you how to replace the cartridge with our consumable product PGI-35/CLI-36 on Canon printer IP100. First, we have to tear off the white film, and then turn the cartridge bottom up to take off the orange cover. After that, we can replace the cartridge. The same process for CLI-36. After replacement, we can put down the printer cover. Then the whole replacement process is completed. Now let's check the printing process. Even though the printer is quite mini, the printing quality and speed is pretty satisfied.